Week 2, starting off with 10 minutes of warm-up cardio on an elliptical machine that mimics running. I blew out my right knee years ago, so I don't run anymore. Then a new 30-minute plyo workout. Here I'm taking 3 long breaths to get more air into my lungs to help oxygenate my muscles. I do this at least 3 times during my plyo workouts. Here my right knee got sore, so I stopped jumping, but I did continue on with the exercise. completely out of breath at this point and very sweaty.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends.
Next is my 20-minute back workout. I start with pull downs using minimal weight. I want to slim down my back and not bulk it. I do 3 sets of 15 reps each. Then I changed up my hand grip to work my triceps. 3 sets, 15 reps each. Slow and controlled and holding at the bottom. Using a light bar on an incline bench, I row for 20 reps alternating sides. 3 sets, 20 reps each.
On the carnival till the rest go home. Now I only see you. Hearts and letters carved into the shore.
In between reps, I add in some twisting, punching abs that are great for the obliques.
It's not real, nothing is a fairy tale. But everything about you is so.
My last exercise is lower back extensions. Just using my own body weight, I slowly lift up. When I reach the top, I squeeze my buttocks. 3 sets, 15 reps each. This exercise is about control and not speed. This is a great exercise to tone the lower back and abs.
White shirt collar.
To end off my workout, I do 5 minutes on the row machine to max out my muscles. Tip of the week, always clean off your exercise equipment once you're done using it. So my day starts the same every day. AG1, coffee, then workout. I have the same thing for breakfast and for lunch every day. I have overnight oats for breakfast with fruit, and I have a salad with some sort of lean protein. I like the simplicity of not having to think about what I'm going to make. And then for dinner, I usually make a HelloFresh meal. I made spicy Bibimbap style rice bowls with Beyond Meat, zucchini, and carrots.
Shirt collar.
See you next Saturday.